Welcome to CalmVerse. Is your mind a busy, noisy place today? It's okay. You have arrived in a safe space, a moment just for you. Find a comfortable place to sit or lie down, and when you're ready, softly close your eyes. Let's begin by simply noticing our breath, your anchor to the present. Take a long, gentle breath in through your nose, feeling your belly expand. And a slow, soft breath out, releasing everything you're holding onto. Again, a deep breath in, filling yourself with calm. And a long breath out, letting the noise melt away. Just follow this rhythm for a few moments, breathing in peace. Breathing out a thought. Now picture that gentle, clear stream flowing peacefully in a quiet forest. As a thought arises in your mind, acknowledge it without judgment, see it clearly. Then imagine placing that single thought onto a leaf and gently letting it float down onto the stream. Your only task is to watch, just watching as the leaf, carrying your thought, drifts away down the stream and eventually out of sight. Another thought may come that's perfectly normal. Simply place it on another leaf and let it go. There is no rush. Each thought, a new leaf, gently releasing it to the stream. Remember, you are not your thoughts. You are the peaceful observer, the sky, the stillness sitting by the stream. Underneath all the thinking, there's a deep, profound stillness. Can you feel it? This quiet space is your true home. It is always here for you, waiting. Slowly, gently, bring your awareness back to your breath. Become aware of the space around you. Notice the feeling of the ground beneath you. When you feel ready, you can open your eyes. Carry this stillness with you. Thank you for trusting me with your peace.